I hope you're keeping safe. Hi, today I'd like to show you the method I use for jointing the edges of veneer. 2 lengths of 18mm MDF or other stout material, a couple of clamps, a flat bench, and if you've got a tool well you can remove the base off, much the better because you can get the work closer to yourself. Clamp the veneer with the edge that we want to plane just sticking out of a sandwich of the 2 MDF boards. And bear in mind there will be a planing direction which is advantageous, so check for that. Obviously you can plane in either direction, but for the sake of the video you're going to want to see the plane rather than my back, I suspect. So sandwich that, just poking out a couple of mil, 2 or 3 mil, 1/8 of an inch. Then clamp that assembly together. So that's clamped nice and firm. Because we're using flat boards, our veneer is parallel with the bench top, so we can use the bench top to rest our plane on. I'm going to use a number 5. I've got a curved blade in my number 5, only a very slight curve, but I want to make sure that the edge I prepare is at 90 degrees. So I'll just check the height of the veneer, just make a mark at the end of the sandwich. So this is the area where I want the highest point of the blade to be to achieve a nice square edge. Slight lateral adjustment again, just to bring the middle of that curve at just above 18mm, which is the width of the individual sandwich halves. So when I've prepared the edge it should be at 90 degrees to the face. To actually plane, all we do is rest the plane on its side. The sides of this are adjusted to 90 degrees. You'll see how we do that in the plane tuning video. And then we simply put the toe of the plane against the veneer, pressure on there, push along from the tote, and you'll see we've removed shavings. Not all the way, obviously, we don't have a continuous shaving because we've got a rough edge. We just continue that until we do get one continuous shaving. And there we have a perfectly prepared edge to our veneer. Look after yourselves and don't forget to subscribe to see videos every day during the COVID-19 problems.